Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 8th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the euro dollar did kind of drift up and then back down and ended up making a pretty significant higher low. It actually ended up doing pretty much exactly what I said in yesterday morning's video. And the reason why I said that is because this is 5 waves down. It kind of looks more like a wave A. This is 3 waves up, but it looks too small to be a complete wave B. So I think it's going to be a 3, possibly 3, and then like something like this for like a 333 or a 335 for likely a wave B. So probably we're in a wave B right now. We're probably in a wave C of wave B. If it does go up to maybe the 61% or maybe the 78% and then turn down aggressively, nice big engulfing move, then it definitely would probably make a really nice little short for either a wave C or possibly even a wave 3. I would suggest being a little bit on the cautious side if you do decide to short it because the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. So unless you see this picture right here, I probably wouldn't short it because it could just, bounce, go up, and just keep on trending up because the higher time frame is definitely still in an uptrend. So when the higher time frame is still in an uptrend and you go down to the shorter time frames and come up with reasons to start looking for shorts, a lot of the times you can get burnt pretty bad in those type of situations. So I think there's a good chance it probably will end the wave B and probably go down for wave C. Just make sure that you see a nice Fibonacci bounce, nice engulfing to the move to the downside before you do pull the trigger on the short. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.